Ever wonder about a simple, natural way to detox your body? Imagine sipping on a warm, comforting cup of tea, knowing that with each sip, you're encouraging your body's natural detoxification process. Now, that's a soothing thought, isn't it? Today, we're brewing a special tea that not only tastes great, but also helps to flush out toxins from your body. This is a tea that you'll want to make part of your evening routine, a tea that you'll look forward to every night. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need a tablespoon of dried nettle leaves, a tablespoon of dandelion root, half a lemon, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, and a teaspoon of raw honey. These ingredients are chosen specially for their detoxifying properties to support your body's natural cleansing process. Now, onto the brewing process. First, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Once the water is boiling, add the nettle leaves and dandelion root. These herbs are known for their powerful detoxifying effects, aiding in digestion and supporting liver function. Next, grate the ginger and add it to the boiling water. Ginger is a fantastic ingredient that aids digestion while adding a spicy kick to the tea. Allow the mixture to simmer for about 15 minutes, then remove the saucepan from the heat. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, adding a refreshing tanginess to your detox tea. Finally, once the tea has cooled down a bit, stir in a teaspoon of raw honey. The honey not only sweetens the tea, but also provides additional health benefits, including boosting your immune system. And there you have it, a warm, comforting, and detoxifying tea that you can enjoy tonight. Remember, the journey to health is a personal one, and every small step counts. Drinking this tea is a simple yet effective step you can take towards enhancing your well-being. So, why not give this detox tea a try tonight? You might just find that you love it as much as your body does, and when you do, we'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for spending your time with us today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, do hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on more health and wellness tips and tricks. Remember, your health is your wealth. So, take care, stay healthy, and keep sipping that detox tea. Cheers to your health.